Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a car that's been turning heads in the compact sedan segment, the 2025 Mazda 3 sedan. If you're a fan of sleek design, excellent driving dynamics, and a touch of luxury, this one might just be for you. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car such a standout. Starting with the exterior, Mazda has always been known for its bold yet refined designs, and the 2025 Mazda 3 sedan continues that tradition. The signature, Kodo, design language is on full display, with sharp, flowing lines and a sculpted body that really grabs your attention. The front grille is more aggressive, with the angular headlights and LED signature lighting giving the car an almost predatory look, like it's ready to pounce. Mazda has managed to make this car look sophisticated while still maintaining that athletic stance that appeals to those who love driving. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of impressive. Mazda has really upped its game in the cabin, offering a refined and premium feel with quality materials that you'd expect from a higher-end brand. The dashboard is clean, with a minimalist design that places everything within easy reach. The 8.8-inch infotainment screen is a highlight. It's crisp, easy to navigate, and works seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mazda also added a new digital gauge cluster in this model, which looks sleek and provides a modern touch while keeping the driver-focused controls simple and intuitive. But let's get to the heart of the car, the driving experience. Mazda is renowned for making cars that are fun to drive, and the 2025 Mazda 3 sedan is no exception. The chassis is firm but comfortable, offering a sportier feel without sacrificing ride quality. The handling is sharp and responsive, making tight corners and winding roads a real joy. The 2025 model continues to feature the excellent G-vectoring control system, which helps improve stability and control while you're pushing the car through those fun drives. Under the hood, the Mazda 3 sedan offers a couple of engine options depending on the trim. You've got the standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which produces around 186 horsepower and offers a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those who want a bit more punch, there's the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine available, bumping the horsepower up to 250 when running on premium fuel. This gives the Mazda 3 sedan some serious zip when you need it, all while maintaining that connected driving experience that Mazda fans love. Safety is also a big priority for Mazda, and the 2025 3 sedan is loaded with advanced driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Mazda's iActiveSense suite is available on higher trims, which brings additional features like front cross traffic alert and parking sensors to make driving in tight spots a little easier. Now, we can't ignore the fuel economy, especially in today's market. The 2025 Mazda 3 sedan does pretty well, with the base model getting an estimated 28 mpg in the city and 36 mpg on the highway. If you opt for the turbocharged engine, those numbers do drop a bit, but you're still looking at decent efficiency for a performance-oriented vehicle. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Mazda 3 sedan is an outstanding compact car that manages to blend style, performance, and technology into one package. It stands out in a crowded segment, offering a driving experience that feels more engaging than most of its rivals. Whether you're after a daily commuter, a fun car for weekend drives, or just a car that looks great on the road, the Mazda 3 sedan ticks a lot of boxes. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Mazda 3 sedan. Would you consider it for your next car? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.